What is going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi guys, and today I want to give you an update on the debt box, and I want to show you guys my roughly $400 withdrawal here just by simply mining with these nodes. And these nodes are pegged to actual real life commodities. What you can actually do is you can jump over to thedebtbox.com. You can check it out. You can learn more about it. And there's 3 simple steps to this. So number 1, you purchase a software mining license. You simply activate it. You can get these licenses that start between $1,500 all the way up to roughly $8,000. So you're going to purchase a software mining license, activate it, and your license must be activated before it will begin mining. Step 2, you earn rewards daily through the mining process, and you can watch them roll in on the rewards section of your dashboard. Step 3, you withdraw your rewards and exchange them for other DebtBox tokens, other currencies, or use them to make DebtBox ecosystem purchases. You can see the actual tokens at the bottom of the page right here. These are all the different commodities, and you can click the Learn More button to learn more about these individually. You can see that Grow has to do with yields in agriculture. NatG is natural gas. I actually own 5 licenses of natural gas. So you can feel free, just go over to thedebtbox.com, scroll down to the bottom, click on Learn More. You can understand this in complete depth and check out each of these given light papers. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to show you a recent withdrawal that I did. Now, we can go over to the wallet section here. You can see I've got $444.62 worth of natural gas that I've began to already convert into USDT. This is pegged to the US dollar. So I can transfer it from this debt wallet to my MetaMask wallet, and then to like an exchange, and then to my bank account. So if we go over here to the dashboard, you can see the wallet balance here. You can see all the different tokens with their given token values, right? And then you can jump down here to rewards, and you could see the rewards for the different mining licenses that you have. Now, I just barely took profits. So if we click on NatG right here, you can see that I've got 5 licenses, and you could see that my last mine cycle yielded $31.83, and my mining balance value is $2.16 right now. Now, on this video, I typically wouldn't sell my assets, but I just wanted to show you guys social proof because I'm simply documenting my journey, showing you guys exactly what I'm doing. And if you like the sound of making money with crypto in the decentralized finance space passively. I mean, I quit affiliate marketing, you guys, to do this because this combines affiliate marketing with cryptocurrency. So make sure that you subscribe, tick the bell icon, because on a daily basis, I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing in the crypto space to make money. I'm the guinea pig, and you get a benefit from that. So make sure you do that. But my main reason for getting into this, I alluded to this just a moment ago, is the fact that it takes cryptocurrency combined with an affiliate marketing business model, a perfect marketing model, to really blow up the price of these different tokens here. Now, the umbrella owner of the debt box is IX Global. So IX Global is a company, an educational company in the financial space that has affiliates that sell their different products and services, the debt box being one of them. So when you have an army of affiliates that have made combined over $40 million, you can imagine how well the debt box is going to do, or what it's projected to do based off of those previous numbers within their ecosystem. So I'm seeing a lot of potential for this. This is not financial advice, by the way, you guys. This doesn't mean you should just get into the debt box. This is just me simply showing you guys my testimonial, my results up to this point. So I see obviously the values of these tokens going up tremendously. Nonetheless, let's go over to wallets and see if we have received that transfer, which we have. You can see my balance here of $402.13. I can click on the send button here, and I can go ahead and I can send all these tokens to this specific address. So if we go ahead and we Send that to my address here. We enter my password. We click on transfer. And swapping can be done within the actual DebtBox app that you can download on the Google Play or the App Store, by the way. But you can see my transfer is complete. So before you know it, that USDT is going to show up in my account over here. So give it just a few more minutes and look, actually not even a few minutes, a few seconds. I can click on import all, and that $402 worth of USDT is now in my MetaMask wallet. So if you want to learn how you can purchase nodes and mine crypto that's pegged to commodities, then join my Telegram group below. And once you join, just let us know in the chat that you're interested in this. And I'll give you a video that shows you guys exactly how to get signed up. We do have weekly calls as well. So if you're somebody that is brand new and you want to learn more about it, maybe there's some skepticisms, whatever it is, then you can feel free to go ahead and jump inside that Telegram group. Ask any questions, and on our live calls, go ahead and ask any questions that you want to go ahead and ask. Okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. This is my $400 withdrawal. It's now in my MetaMask wallet. Hope to see you guys inside of the Telegram group below. Again, let me know if you want to get involved with this, if you want to get signed up. I'll provide you with the resources to go ahead and do just that. Okay? Talk to you guys soon. Go ahead, like this video, comment if you have any questions. Again, guys, make sure you go to the Telegram group. Don't just post them in my comments. I do my best to answer my comments, but I can give you live interaction inside of the Telegram group. So hopefully you appreciated this first update of the DebtBox. There's going to be a video below as well that shows you start to finish how to get signed up if you want to go ahead and get signed up. And I'll continue to go ahead and document my journey with you guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.